You see this? This is not burger. This is not meat. This is plant-based patties, as you can see right there. Not sure if I want to do this video, but I was tagged to do this challenge. It's called a vegetarian or a vegan burger challenge. I was just recently tagged by a good buddy of mine's. Meat Cranium Barbecue Review. Why? Why me? Out of all people, why me? So, while we're doing this challenge, we're gonna do a review on these, I normally would say bad boys, but on these burgers. So we're gonna see what they taste like. We're gonna see if they actually taste like beef. According to the packaging, it tastes like beef, so not sure. So we're gonna see what the hype is all about with this product. So y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you how this is done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this video. So we're gonna turn the power on. And right now we're 105 degrees outside my house. You are looking at the correct numbers. No, actually it's about 95, but the heat index is about 105, 110. So we're gonna open the chamber up. As you can see, we got that smoke going right now. It's smelling so beautiful because we got that special blend of the hickory, the apple, and that maple. Oh man, that combination. So I'm gonna try to flavor these burgers up somehow, some way. I'm gonna close the lid. We're gonna crank these temperatures up to 450 degrees because it says cook on high. So we're gonna see what it's all about. All right, guys, there it is. Let's take a look at inside. It does look kind of beefy. It does look like it does have the marbling of the fat, as you can see the white spots. But it's 2 patties in here. This cost me about $5.99 a pack. I gotta add some seasonings to make this taste good somehow, some way. So I'm gonna use Michael Petrus. It's incredible. And then we're gonna hit it with some Java Chop House from Pickles. This is gonna hopefully make this flavorful and good enough to eat in this challenge. So, and like I said, we're gonna do a review to see what this actually tastes like and if it tastes like beef or not, because now even meatier, according to here. All right, guys, so let's see what this burger smells like. It does have a beefy smell, somewhat, some way. Actually, it smells like potted meat, to be honest. It gives that aroma. I'll give you a close-up look. Let's season these plant-based burgers up, and we're gonna see if we can make them flavorful. Our pit boss is now ready. So first of all, I need to apologize to my pit balls because I'm about to put this Beyond Burger in. Like I said, it smells like potted meat. I don't know if it's any good whatsoever. And I'm gonna use these 2 things, which is that cast iron pan and the cast iron griddle, to cook my Beyond Burgers in this bad boy right here. So once again, I apologize to you pit balls. So I'm so sorry. Alright guys, well the cast iron griddle and the cast iron skillet is now warming up to temp. Let's talk about the step process. Now, the direction says here, cook each side about 4 minutes aside. So it says here, it's going to be fully cooked once we reach an internal temperature of 165. So we're going to see if this is the true case. Now, according to this, it does have a running red light consistency, like or a pink consistency. It says do not overcook the edge or the interior of the patty will still be red or pink when fully cooked. We shall see. But anyway, I'm gonna beef this burger up with some real meat. So I'm gonna add thick slice of bacon, which is these thick slices of bacon. Oh yeah, look at that thickness on these bad boys right here. And then we're gonna add some cheese. And the cheese we're gonna add is the Kobe Jack cheese right here, guys. And I'm also gonna add an egg on top of it just to make the ultimate burger. So I'm gonna add some lettuce and tomatoes, and I'm gonna add some mayo on it. Guys, we're gonna cook these Beyond Burgers 4 minutes aside at 450 degrees, and hopefully this does the trick. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna show you how to finish this up. All right, guys, it's been about 15 minutes or so, our cast iron griddle and pan should be nice and hot at this point. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add these burgers first. It says 4 minutes aside. All right, guys, so I'm gonna let this cook out. Like I said, 4 minutes aside on these burgers, and we're gonna time it, and then we're gonna flip it. All right, folks, it's been 4 minutes, so let's take a look. Oh yeah. So we're gonna flip these burgers over. We're gonna give these burgers another 4 minutes. And guys, I just melted some butter so we can add to butter our toast or our bread, I should say. All right, guys, so while we still got 3 minutes to go, I'm gonna butter these buns up a little bit with some butter right here. Toast these buns up a little bit. Take a look at that, guys. So we're gonna take our bun and just place them on the grill. They're gonna toast up nice and it's beautiful. All right, folks, our 3 minutes is now up. Let's check on these burger buns real quick. Oh yeah. Take a look at that, guys. Beautiful. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some cheese to these burgers right here. And again, I'm using some Kobe Jack cheese, guys. Alright, guys, it's been another 30 seconds to a minute. And look at that, it's started to melt beautifully. Alright, folks, so in my opinion, no burger will be completed without some eggs. So it's time to dress this burger up. So as you can see, we got a nice little grill marks on these burger buns. And we're gonna use mayo cube. This is some good stuff right here, guys. I promise you this. So give this a try if you see this in your local supermarket. So we're just gonna shake the bottle up a little bit and just add just a tad bit. You don't need much. I'm gonna take some lettuce and we're gonna go with tomato. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like right here. This is what it looks like in the back. Let's cut this up. I'm gonna add a little bit of onion. So let's do the egg. Oh yeah, take a look at that, guys. The yolk is still running. That's what it looks like on the inside. So I guess we did a good job cooking it because it's still somewhat pink. For once in my lifetime, I'm not looking forward to this taste test right here. One, two, three. Okay. It's actually not bad. A little dry. The patty's a little dry. But overall, it's not bad. You know what? Let's taste it without anything on it. So this is just the cheese. So we're gonna taste the meat. Take a look at that, guys. As you can see, it's kind of dry. It doesn't have that moisture or that fat content to keep this burger moist. I do taste somewhat of a beefy flavor. Not strong, very mild. Not sure if I will eat this again because deep down inside I know it's not beef. It does have an aftertaste. It really has an aftertaste, like a pot of meat aftertaste. Beyond Burger, guys. So my review on this, you know, I would give it, from a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this about a 6 or 7 I mean, it does taste like beef, just very mildly. It's very dry. If I'd have known, I would have added some type of fat content to moisten this up a little bit. But to add the eggs, to bacon, and the other condiments to dress up the burger, you won't be able to tell the difference. I promise you that. So, big salute to Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. And I mean, he tagged me on this, and I was like really not looking forward to do this challenge, but I'm glad I accepted. I'm glad I got this out of my way. This was not on my bucket list whatsoever. All right, guys, so since I got tagged on this challenge, I'm gonna tag 4 people. And these guys better do this challenge because I did it, and so can you. So the first guy I'm gonna mention is Paul from Paul's Q. Brother, I know you're in Canada. I'm sure you can find some type of vegetarian or vegan burger. And the rules are just add some meat, type of meat on top of it to make it vegetarian and vegans /vegetarian. So, second person I want to challenge is Charlie from Pickles Barbecue. Charlie, my dude, you're in Denver, so I'm sure you can find something to do with a vegan burger or a vegetarian burger. Thirdly, we're gonna go to the West Coast. Big salute to my boy, Rob D from Chillin' and Grilling with Rob D. Rob, mi hermano, I need to see a Mexican flavor on this vegan /vegetarian burger. And fourthly, but not least, my boy from North Carolina. Another big salute to my boy, Scott from The Real Show Barbecue. Brother, you are an inspiration to me, so I know you can make this vegan /vegetarian burger taste phenomenal. So, those are the 4 guys I'm challenging, and those are the 4 guys that I'm tagging. So guys, if you like barbecuing and grilling, this is your channel right here. Big salute to everybody who watched this video. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And make sure you share this video with all your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe right now. What you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that like too. And don't forget to hit that bell so you stay updated on all the latest videos that I put out, guys. And until next time, or next week, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.